Good day, we are Group 1. Today we will talk about what to do before, during, and after an earthquake.
What causes the earthquakes? The friction between tectonic plates. Here's what to do before an earthquake. Prepare a first aid kit, watch the news, and evacuate the site immediately before the earthquake can strike onto your area. Here's what to do during an earthquake. During earthquakes, stay under a solid place like a table, a bed, and stay in a corner because the percentage of safety is high. And also, go to an open area, for example, an open field, and use duck cover and foam. After the earthquake, remember to stay in an open area where there is no danger. Be aware of aftershocks and be careful of hazards. And also remember to watch the news to maintain your safety.
Ito na yung safe to. Okay na ito.